Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sign out of Zalando application. That's the mobile application on your phone. Here's exactly what you should do. First things first, you're gonna have to launch your Zalando application on your mobile phone. Of course, go ahead to your phone and search for Zalando. If you don't have Zalando, head over to your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Zalando and then follow through the on-screen prompt to click on the install button. Once it has been installed and completely downloaded, it's going to take you to the application. Enter in your login details, existing login details, or if you do not have one, just go ahead and click on the sign up button, then follow through the process to create a new account. And that's going to take you to the official homepage for Zalando. And once you get right into the homepage, then you can see what it's going to look like. It's going to have to cancel. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. So this is what it looks like on the web. As you can see, it's really, we do not have much difference. I'm gonna have to, I'm trying to exit this. All right, so it seems like it wants to completely load. And so okay, so I'm gonna go over this again because that's already see me like it's gonna stress me. So this is what the home page looks like. All right, so let this load up. So this is the Zalando. All right, so launch Zalando and it's going to take you to the home page. And once you get into the home page, this is what the home page looks like. All right, so it's what it looks like. So for some, so Zalando must have changed its user interface. All right, so that's why you have all of these icons at the top corner, but then to some, it's usually at the bottom corner. So you're gonna see these icons here. That's the magnifying lens, and then the heart, the back, and your profile icon. So click on this profile icon wherever you see it, either at the top or at the bottom. Click on this profile icon. That's this human icon there. And once you're done, it's going to take you to this page right here. So once you click on this profile icon, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see orders and returns, personal details, app settings, and all of this. So click on personal details. So click on personal details. So once you click on personal details, the next window is going to take you to is this. All right, so it's going to be here. So scroll the way down, all right, and as you can see here, so as you can see here at the bottom of this personal details window, you're going to see sign out. So go ahead and click on sign out, and once you click on sign out, that's how you'll be able to sign out of your account, or sign out of your account on the Zalando application using your mobile phone. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this tutorial